So as I mentioned in my last Get Ready With Me, today I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul and a few other bits that I just picked up randomly. So let's just get straight into this. I will have everything linked in the description box below if you want to go and just add everything to your cart and order as well. But I was so overdue like an essentials order. You know, like the basic things that you just hate to buy and hate to spend money on, but when you do, your life is like so much easier. So I went into Boots and picked up some nail polish remover because my other one was running low. This one is like a gentle formula, so I guess it's like less chemicals in here, and it says it has avocado oil and vitamin E to prevent over drying. So I always do my own nail polish and like kind of, what's it called, manicure at home. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. I mean, it's just regular nail polish remover. Then next I went into Primark and I picked up some lint rollers. I already took these out of the package, but you just get a spare one and you get your main lint roller here. I actually normally use this for like the top of my bed where it's like fabric and I can't really dust. I usually just lint roll that and like get all the dust off. I'm sure you can get one of those on Amazon, but I was just in Primark, so I just picked it up. Oh yeah, I got more socks from Primark. I got black ones because I feel like the white ones just go grey after a few washes. I don't really love these ones because I feel like I prefer the fresh look of the white ones. Eventually I want to get some Ralph Lauren ones. These will just tide me over because I recently started working out again. And then also my boyfriend actually picked me up these because I was saying how I want to take vitamin D, and we're in Holland and Barrett just last week. I really like, there was multiple days where I could have vlogged, but I just didn't because I just wasn't feeling myself. But yeah, I'm back to myself now. Anyway, so I have the magnesium from Holland & Barrett, and this is 375 mgs. And then I have the vitamin D, and this is 100 IU. So that's like the recommended amount to take. So I got these because apparently they help with your bones. Take the two of them together because I think you need the magnesium to help the vitamin D absorb, and I think you need calcium as well. I picked up some of the men's razors. I currently put one on my razor that's in the shower. These are honestly the best. I have no like strawberry legs or ingrown hairs or cuts on my legs whenever I use these razors. These are the Tree, but MACH, I don't know how you pronounce it. But yeah, these are so good, and you just buy like the actual razor itself and then you replace the little heads. So I just picked up a 4-pack of those. One of them just fell on the ground. I got some more lash glue. This is the best. It's latex free. This one says it has biotin and blueberry, so I just picked up that because my other one was like so old. Last thing that's not from Amazon is my new shoes. Now I got a pair of Skechers and I didn't really love them. Like I usually do like Skechers. They were too light almost. I didn't feel like I was wearing anything and I just didn't like that feeling. So I went back to the Nike ones and I got these from, I think it was M&M or Sports Direct. I'll link them below anyway. But also something that I will say is when I wear them, they just feel different. Like the quality doesn't feel like the ones that I had from like years ago, because I used to collect all of the Nike shoes and mostly Nike, and they just felt better quality. I feel like everything nowadays is being made in less quality and I just hate that, but I guess they'll do. They're just for working out. Like I'm just trying to get back into working out. Let's say I'm traveling and I want just comfortable shoes underneath long pants. These will be my go-tos. So get rid of those. So now let's move on to the Amazon stuff. So I have this beside me, so I'll start off with this. This is a spray bottle mist for my hair. Now you'll see how much of a mist it is. I don't even know if you can see that. Like it's so good, and I literally missed my hair this morning with this because before I had this I was just trying to put like water in my hand and put it on my hair, and it was just so annoying. So yeah, this is really good, and they actually use this in the hairdressers that I go to as well. Now the next thing that I have from Amazon is a face roller. Now I was in between I had a jade roller, but it actually just broke yesterday. I want to get a new green one because the one that I had was pink. But I actually really like the jade rollers. You can get the ice roller, which is this one, and this one you basically put in the freezer in the summertime. So it's like for the back of your neck, your face, just anywhere where you want to cool down. So I thought this would be perfect for the summer. I wanted to get this last year and I actually ended up just never getting it. I never got around to ordering it. I also want the Cairo tools, whatever they are. They really like fit under your eye to cool down your eyes. So I guess you can call me like a skincare girly, because I have this now. I want to get another jade roller and I want to get the Cairo. So next I actually ordered some mason jars, because I only have one and I've been using that one literally like every single morning for iced coffee with the last like 5 years. So I was like, I'm such a sustainable queen, but I do need to update and get some new ones, because whenever the other one is in the dishwasher and if it wasn't turned on that day, I don't have it for the next morning. So I picked up 2 of these, and they just say like County Fair drinking jar. Are you joking me? That better be glue. No! It's broke. This is why I hate Amazon, right? I ordered these and I knew there could have been a chance that one of them would be broken, but I took the risk anyway. I can't send stuff back on Amazon. It cost me like a literal arm and a leg like to send stuff back. Right here, I thought it was just a glue, but it's not. I can feel the crack. Not that I need straws, but like it came with 1, 2, 3 straws, glass ones, and a little cleaner. Okay, moving on from the broken mason jar, I decided to pick up some of these cuffs for my hands or my wrists whenever I'm washing my face, because I actually have the matching little headband to these. So whenever you're like taking off your makeup and the water like comes down your arms, these basically stop that from happening. So that's why I just picked them up. It's not very often that I wash my face outside of the shower. I usually just take off my makeup while I'm in the shower. So next from Amazon, I got this Leighton Denny crystal nail file. Now I've been a fan of like Leighton Denny for years. I don't know why I won't focus. The one thing that's lasted in my collection like for that many years, and it was broke. I actually dropped it a few years ago, so I've been using just like half of this nail file. So yeah, it's just the best. It's like a glass nail file and it really does work much better than like a regular nail file. These are a pack of 2, I believe. Yes, 2 microfiber hair wraps. Now I got ones before in Amazon and they were pink, and I ended up, I think I gave them to my mom because I didn't like them anymore, just because the colour, and then secondly they were so hard to tie on the back. They just weren't made well, so hopefully these ones are made better, and I picked them up in just a classic white colour. These ones already look so much better because they're like microfiber, they're not like a towel material. Let's see what the closure part looks like. Yeah, it's just a proper button, like it looks like it's gonna fit much easier. So I picked up 2 of those. They look kind of cream though to me, they don't really look pure white. And then the last thing that I picked up for myself is these face halos, and this is what I'll be using to take off my makeup with the little wrist things. These are non-toxic, reusable and recyclable. So there's 3 in this bag. It looks like there should be 6 in this bag, let's be real. I've seen so many people rave about these. The ones that I was using before were just from like Pennies, like Primark. They're just like double-sided, so I kind of just have to hold them like that and scrub. I'll test them out anyway when I take off my makeup today. I really don't want to take off my makeup though, because I didn't do it in like a week and I have it freshly done now and I'm really happy with it. So the very last thing is a car organizer. I picked this up for Luke because I just thought he needs one of these. I think he did have one, but it was like falling apart. And this one actually matches his car. It's like a navy colour. And I think it's the size large, which is the size medium. So they have a standard size, they have a large, and then they have an extra large. It's very confusing the way they name them, because you think large is large, but no, large is medium. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. You can see in the picture there, it has like different dividers. Maybe he'll allow me to vlog when we put it in his car on Wednesday. He's coming in on Wednesday after work. Oh, that's so heavy. So maybe I'll include it in this little video. But yeah, that's basically everything. My like whole essentials little haul. The mason jars actually came with this, just like one little closure one. So yeah, let's get on with the rest of the vlog. And as I said, I'll have everything linked in the description box below if you want to purchase any of these items. So one more thing that I forgot to mention in my haul is my new Nutribullet. So Luke actually surprised me with this. I think it was just after Valentine's Day, and I was just telling him how I wanted to get a new one. I just think that it looks so nice and it's just a change from the other colour. It also came with this. It's like a travel kind of mug. But yeah, this is my like little smoothie area, but as I said, I will be doing like a morning routine. There's like a new smoothie that I've been making, so I'll show you all that in that video, and I'll be using this blender. But before, the Nutribullets used to come with like 2 of those plastic ones, but now it just comes with this. So it's a new day. Today is Saturday, and yes, I have my ring light on right beside me, so that's why it's super bright. But This is my outfit of the day, just very comfy, just because we're going to a kind of like pub for some dinner later on, so I just want to be more chill and relaxed. So I just have on my Jules Field coat with this turtleneck, and this is from Zara. I still like, I'm not going to buy any like non-Zara winter pieces as of now because like it's summer, so I'm going to start investing into more pieces for summertime and spring. But I just have on some leggings with this and then my Barber kind of hiking boots. But I did actually rip the back of these and I didn't even realise. It's like the bit where you pull on. They're actually very hard to get on and I ripped it right there. So I'm kind of sad about that, but I think I can stitch it. And then I just have my Speedy 25 bag. I think it goes really nice with the green, like the brown and the green. So yeah, as I said, we're going to go for some dinner later. I don't know why my hand is like super shaky, but yeah, we're going to go for some steak and chips, so I'm really excited about that. And then have a look in a vintage shop if it's open. I don't know if it's open because today is Saturday. So that is the plan for today, and I will bring you all along with me. Oh yeah, this is the one that I usually get. The strawberries and cream. You want that one, Luke?
It actually feels really good.
Oh, the Cadbury. You know you can get cream egg in America.
It's all caramel.
That looks like dark chocolate.
It's good though.
Oh, the cute bunny one. Yeah, that'd be nice. But the one that we're getting has honeycomb in it. And it's Lily O'Brien's as well.
Some weird shape in it, with leather curves.
Yeah. So as promised, I'm going to show you my favorite new smoothie that I've been making every single day for lunch. All of these ingredients are to balance out my hormones. That's what I've been trying to do. So I'm just gathering them all here and I'll show you when I put them into the blender. So I'm going to add some of the frozen strawberries and banana. And if I want more just strawberry and banana flavour, I will just do that without the blueberries. But I've been adding blueberries because the frozen ones have the best nutrients. Then I'm adding some of the Brazil nuts. I do 2 a day just to get my like daily amount of selenium. I don't like chewing these, so I just add them to my smoothie. Then I add some chia seeds. Now these are vital for my hormones, and flax seeds as well. And then my milk of choice is oat milk. It's so quick and easy to make this, and sometimes I think I'm going to make it for breakfast as well because I need to get into the habit of having breakfast. Usually I just have like iced coffee. So yeah, that is this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one.